right in the middle of creating and packaging about 150 pounds of sausage here this weekend, but we thought that we would take a quick break and just kind of show you how to prep your casings and how to get them onto your stuffer in order to get the bratwurst and sausage links that you're looking for. So, you know, you just pick up any, I like using natural hog casing. You can use synthetic hog casing. I just kind of like the texture and snap of a natural casing, and also honestly just a little bit of the tradition of it as it pertains to sausage making through the ages. But yeah, basically these come packed in salt. They'll last a long time if you buy them at your local grocery store or whatnot. But first thing you want to do is just drop them into a bowl and run them under water for you know, 5-10 minutes just to get the initial rinse of all the salt off. Dump all the water that's in the bowl after that. Restart with fresh water and kind of get your water to sort of a lukewarm tepid warm, and then allow them to soak for about 10 minutes before you put them onto the nozzle of the stuffer. So now that the casings have been cleaned, all the salt's rinsed off and they've been soaking for about 10 minutes, we're just gonna get them loaded onto the nozzle. So what you wanna do first is just get a little bit of water on your fingers and just get that nozzle so it's wet. And then you kind of fish a casing out of here. As knotted up as they come out of the bag. They do usually come out of the water relatively easily. And you just kind of have to find the end here. Stretch it over the nozzle. And once you get it on a little bit, just keep the opening in the center and use your fingers to work the entire casing over the nozzle. All right, so yeah, just take your time and work that casing on there. As you go, you'll get quicker and quicker at it. But yeah, next you just fill the hopper up with meat. And when you do that, make sure to try to eliminate as many air gaps as you can as you're loading the meat, because it's really gonna help get a uniform brat made. Because if you end up with air pockets in that meat, it's gonna push a big air pocket into your casing. So take a little extra time when you're loading that hopper to create the sausages you're looking for. So when you first get started with getting the casings loaded, make sure and leave this end piece so it can let the air out of the nozzle before the meat shows up. And then as you see the meat getting to the end of the nozzle, just pull that out and twist it a little bit to start your link so it doesn't just go right out the end. So you get the length that you're looking for, throw a twist in it. And one done. And if you do end up with a little bit of air, you can just create, just on one, you can just put a little pinhole in there and let that air out. So you're not dealing with that big air pocket the whole time you're pressing the sausage. And then just on that link, be a little bit careful with the amount of pressure you put in it, just so you don't split the casing.